In this release of HyperLynx DRC, you can experience a new user interface with improved operability. The new interface is icon and GUI driven to increase the efficiency of setting up high-speed specific electrical rule checks. It is sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly, ensuring you get the most out of every interaction. This new user experience brings enhanced operational efficiency with our advanced machine learning-based command prediction system. This smart feature predicts your next move, saving you time and effort. And lastly, about the new user experience, we've combined the best of both worlds: a traditional context-sensitive command structure and a new GUI-based command structure. This ensures efficient operation for both heavy and occasional users. Upgrade to the latest release of HyperLynx DRC today to try the new user experience for yourself. This release also brings an expansion of the area crop function in HyperLynx DRC. The cropped areas are now saved as a CCE file format. Improvements to the engine make the area crop feature more efficient at capturing specific components in the area of your PCB. Users can choose to do object-based area cropping by cutting out a dense design from a fixed distance to specific objects, or use a coordinate-based area cropping technique by specifying coordinates on your PCB. HyperLynx DRC has also increased the overall accuracy of the tool in this release. The geometric resolution has improved from 10 nanometer to 1 nanometer, which ensures increased accuracy during automated rule-based analysis. This is especially important in IC packaging rule-based checks. This change aligns us with our other HyperLynx signal integrity products. Thanks for checking out what's new at HyperLynx DRC.